Hello guys, if you are trying to find your EID in EA Sports College Football 27, I'll show you where to find it. Your EID is what you'll use to add EA friends, especially if you are playing with someone on a different platform through crossplay. For example, if you are on PS5 and your friend is on Xbox, you won't add them through your PlayStation friends list. Instead, you'll add them using their EID and they'll appear in your EA friends list. Your EID might be the same as your PlayStation or Xbox username, but it can also be different. To find it, open the game and press the touchpad on PS5 or the view button on Xbox to bring up the social menu. From there, move over to the player search tab. At the top of the screen, you'll see your EID. You can also use this page to search for another player's EID. Just enter their EID into the search box, send them a friend request, and once they accept it, they'll show up in your EA friends list. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to find your EID and use it to add crossplay friends in EA Sports College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.